Yo.
Dr. Vladimir,
Hello, Juan Carlos.
have you ever heard of photosynthesis?
Yes.
Oh. Photosynthesis respiration.
Yes.
Shut up. Anyway, we are going to go into a plant.
How?
The ominous door you can. And how the hell do you get a primary school?
I didn't go to school.
Anyway, we're going to go into a plant.
I'm not that kind of doctor.
Too bad. Recording.
Alright. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants use sunlight, CO2 or carbon dioxide, and water to produce ATP, energy, and sugar. In photosynthesis, plants get the sunlight and carbon dioxide from their environment around them. And they get water from the roots below, which comes up through the xylem, through the mesophyll, which is in the leaves, and to the chloroplasts. The first step is the light-dependent reactions, which needs sunlight in order to happen, which is why it's called the light-dependent reaction. This also uses the carbon and the hydrogen and breaks it up and makes it into oxygen, which is released out afterwards. The rest is saved for the next step, which is very important, and also comes out with ATP and high-energy electrons, which will be also used later. Alright, in the area surrounding the thylakoids is the stroma, where the second step happens. The Calvin cycle, probably named after somebody with Calvin, and it uses these electrons from light-dependent reactions and the carbon to create ATP and sugar or glucose. Alright, so to review, water, carbon and carbon dioxide, and sunlight go into the chloroplast, and out comes ATP and sugar. Boom.
So what's the point of that?
Do you like breathing?
No. Well, yes, I love breathing.
Of course you do, you loser.
That's a very nice question mark.
Why are you saying question mark? Alright, we're recording.
Alright. Cell respiration is very much similar to a factory in that there are numerous parts in order to produce a product. The first one of these parts is glycolysis, which happens in the cytoplasm around the mitochondria, where glucose from photosynthesis is broken down into 2 pyruvate molecules. This also produces 2 ATP, or cell energy. In the next part, the Krebs cycle, the pyruvate molecules are further broken down into high energy electrons and oxygen. In the final part, the electric transport train, fueled by oxygen, these here high energy electrons have numerous amounts of chain reactions that produce numerous amounts of ATP. In total, cellular respiration produces 34 to 42 ATP and water.
And something else.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Carbon dioxide is also a thing. So you see, the products of photosynthesis are the same as the reactants of cell respiration, and vice versa.
This is important in our everyday lives, because without either of these processes, we wouldn't be alive. By the way, where are you from?
Vasco, Argentina, Colombia, Venezuela, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Honduras.
Alright, we get your point.
Guinea.
Alright, cut.
Go. It's about drive. It's about power. We stay hungry. We devour. Put in the work. Put in the hour. And take what's ours.
There it is.
Oh wait, wow. Why do you know exactly where it is? So I'm just doing it.